This is another brand that is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group, but they are only available through their dealer network in the USA. All of the units have a louvered metal jacket to protect the coil from damage and a much better looking design than Ruud products of the past, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. They all have a powder coat paint system and rust-resistant screws to maintain the curb appeal for many years, as well as composite base pans for noise control. The brand offers a very wide range of models with long fancy line and series names, which makes it complicated to select the unit that is best, but HvacRepairGuy has narrowed it down to simple basic, premium, and ultimate selections. The Achiever Series RA14 models have a single-row condenser coil which makes the unit lighter and allows for thorough coil cleaning to maintain system performance. They have a QR code on the unit which provides technical information on demand and a fan shroud that optimizes airflow through the unit. The Achiever Plus Series UA17 models are premium air conditioners with 2-stage compressors and the ability to communicate with other parts of the home's HVAC systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. They have an efficiency rating of only 17 SEER and are relatively loud during operation with a sound level roughly equivalent to a washing machine. They offer an optional compressor sound blanket to help with noise control, but it is standard on many of the other brands. The UA18AZ units are ultimate air conditioners with +1 diagnostics and Bluetooth connectivity for advanced diagnostics, setup, and troubleshooting of the units. They have variable speed condenser fan motors which are more durable, quieter, and more energy efficient than standard PSC motors. When operating on low speeds, the UA18AZ units are quiet enough to blend into the background with a sound rating of less than 60 decibels.